this thing are like, they're really good actually, but the lighting, there we go. You can see it where it's focusing. Alright, I gotta get another sip of my beer. I mean my dew. I mean my mountain. My mountain! With poo all over it. It's coming closer. It turned around. It's getting closer and closer. Right, I've had enough of it. What is this? You see it? What's that? What is this? Alright, this is going to be kind of embarrassing because I've got boots on. It's hard for me to jump in. It's going to hurt. And I'm going to be recording this. Okay, jumping off this high. Not high whatsoever. Ow! Putting my tablet on there. I literally can't get up. This was not here before. There, it's out of my way now. My little closet. Oh, shoot. Five Nights at Construction Sites. Oh, my foot. There's those air pipes that I was talking about. Pipes full of air. The washing machine will be right there. If it would focus. The red one is incredibly loud. I mean, the blue one is incredibly loud. Yeah. That's like, the blue one is always the one with the most pressure. That's why, and well, I haven't turned it on yet, so I honestly don't know. But anyways, we got a third one. And then, actually, there's 4 of these houses. This is just the third one. Okay, guys, so we're not going into the construction site. I want you to meet my other friends. They're pretty nice. Well, he's not here. Oh, and by the way, my friends are younger than me. I am 9 years old. Some of the other ones are younger. Except for one guy, he's got a go-kart. Okay, guys, so we're working our way back to the construction site. The third one. Anyways. Here it is. This is this platform. Actually, it's pretty cool. But all these need to get off of it. Get off! Alright, they won't get off. I'm gonna get them all off. Finally, it's all off. Okay, guys, so see you in the next video.